This is Rocky the Rock Tumbler. I always wanted to tumble some rocks to make them nice round, and I decided to build me one tumbler. I used materials that I already had. Um, yeah, and this is how it looks. The steel rods are centered in the PVC pipe with MDF rounded discs that I put through the pipe. I think about 5 of them inside the pipe, and then on the edges. Just glued it with super glue. These PVC spools, I make both of them turn so that there will be enough grip on my drums to turn them. If you have any questions, you are welcome to comment and ask me there. I will try my best to help you with the best answers. This tumbler will be used to make a few videos in the future, like recycling some glass and use some different grits. I don't have access to normal grits, so I need to use some sandpaper, but I will make a video of it and to see if it works okay. I use this tachometer on the phone to estimate what the revolutions of the spools were. And just after this, I decided to just go and count the dot going by in a minute. Both of them worked exactly. So, yeah. I salvaged an old motor with a revolution of 92 revolutions per minute, and I use this 40 mm PVC pipe that gives me a speed about 0.7 kilometers an hour, at which the drum will turn at the outside. Next video will be about these drums and how I made it. Thanks for watching, and I would like it if you subscribe, like the video so that I can be motivated to make more. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.